Energy efficiency is a top priority for homeowners who want to stay comfortable while managing energy use. Windows play a major role in how efficiently a home performs, and choosing the right style can make a noticeable difference. For homeowners in Austin, double-hung windows offer a combination of traditional design and modern energy efficiency benefits that support everyday comfort and long-term performance. Reducing air leaks with improved sealing. Older windows often allow air to leak through worn seals, loose frames, or aging components. Double-hung replacement windows are designed with improved sealing systems that help minimize air leakage when the windows are closed. For Austin homeowners, this tighter seal helps keep conditioned air inside where it belongs. Reduced air leakage leads to more stable indoor temperatures and a home that feels comfortable without constant adjustments. Supporting consistent indoor temperatures. Temperature imbalance is a common issue in homes with outdated windows. Rooms near older windows may feel warmer or cooler than the rest of the house, creating discomfort. Double-hung windows help address this issue by providing improved insulation and fit. Austin homeowners often notice that rooms feel more consistent in temperature after upgrading, making living spaces more enjoyable throughout the day. Efficient ventilation without energy loss. Double-hung windows offer flexible ventilation options that support energy efficiency. By opening the top sash, homeowners can allow warm air to escape while keeping the bottom sash closed. This helps cool the home naturally without letting too much conditioned air escape. In Austin homes, this ventilation control supports comfort during mild weather while maintaining energy efficiency. Homeowners can enjoy fresh air without sacrificing indoor comfort. Enhanced insulation. For better performance. Modern double-hung windows are built with materials that improve insulation around both the glass and frame. This insulation helps slow the transfer of heat between indoor and outdoor spaces. For Austin homeowners, better insulation means less reliance on heating and cooling systems. Homes stay more comfortable naturally, supporting energy-efficient living without added effort. Reducing strain on heating and cooling systems. When windows leak air, climate systems must work harder to maintain comfort. This increased workload can lead to higher energy use and wear on equipment. Double-hung replacement windows help reduce this strain by creating a tighter building envelope. Austin homeowners benefit from smoother system operation and a more balanced indoor environment. Supporting quieter, more comfortable interiors. Energy-efficient windows often improve sound reduction as well. Double-hung windows with improved sealing help block outside noise, creating a calmer interior space. For Austin homeowners, this added comfort enhances daily living, especially in active neighborhoods or near busy areas. Maintaining efficiency over time. Durability plays an important role in energy efficiency. Double-hung windows are designed to maintain their performance over time, with components that resist warping and wear. Austin homeowners appreciate knowing their investment will continue delivering efficiency benefits without frequent repairs or adjustments. Blending efficiency with timeless style. One of the advantages of double-hung windows is their classic appearance. They fit well with a wide range of architectural styles while offering modern performance. For Austin homes, this means homeowners don't have to choose between efficiency and design. Double-hung windows deliver both. A smart choice for energy-conscious homes. Double-hung windows offer a balanced approach to energy efficiency. By reducing air leaks, improving insulation, and supporting controlled ventilation, they help create a more comfortable and efficient home. For homeowners in Austin, double-hung windows are a practical, long-lasting investment that enhances comfort, supports energy efficiency, and fits seamlessly into everyday living.